Let's go to 3a. The graph of a quadratic function is shown. Find the equation of the quadratic function in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus 30. From the given graph, we know this is a 0, 30 coordinate. This is a 3, 0. This is a 5, 0. As long as you get coordinates on the graph, you need to plug in. For 0, 30, it's already plugged in. If you plug in 0, then it's a 30 equals 30. We will plug in these two x-intercepts. So for 3a, I have 3, 0 labeled as xy. I will plug in y equals ax squared plus bx plus 30. Y is 0 equals a times 3 squared plus b times 3 plus 30. You will get 9a plus 3b plus 30 equal to 0. This is the first equation. Let's go to second x-intercept. This is x, here it's y. We need to plug 5, 0 into this function. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus 30. So this is a 0. A times 5 squared plus b times 5 plus 30. You will get 0 equals 25a plus 5b plus 30. So we get the second equation. Now I got two equations. 0 equals 9a plus 3b plus 30. Second equation is 0 equals 25a plus 5b plus 30. I want to use a matrix. For matrix pattern, you have to get the ax plus by equals C form. Therefore, cross the river, change the sign. You will get negative 30 equals 9a plus 3b. This is 30. Cross the river, change the sign. You will get negative 30 equals 25a plus 5b. Let's rewrite these two equations. I have 9a plus 3b equals negative 30. 25a plus 5b equals negative 30. Since I want to use a matrix to figure out the answer, I will get the 9, 3, negative 30. 25, 5, negative 30. So we go to graphing calculator. First of all, clear the memory. Go to second x to the negative first power. This is a matrix in blue. Go to edit. 2 by 3. 2 rows by 3 columns. Enter. So you have 9, enter, 3, enter, negative 30, enter. 25, enter, 5, enter, negative 30, enter. Then quit. Second mode, quit. Go back again. Go to math. Try to find RREF. Enter. Then go back into this matrix. Pull this matrix A out. Then enter. You could say this is a A, this is a B. A equals 2, B equals negative 16. So we write down by matrix. A equals 2, B equals negative 16. Since for 3A, we already figure out A equals 2, B equals negative 16. Then plug into this function, you will get y equals 2x squared minus 16x plus 30. This will be the answer to 3A. Let's go to 3B. Write down the equation of axis of symmetry. That equals negative b over 2a, or equals the x coordinate of vertex, or equals x1 plus x2 over 2. x1 and x2 are intercepts. So we got to use this one to figure out equation of axis of symmetry. You will get the x equals x1 is 3, x2 is 5 over 2. That equals 4. This is your answer. Let's go to 5A. This is a word problem. When you have word problem, focus on the function given. You see y equals 3 plus 4x minus x squared. Then ask you write down the height in meters from which the ball was thrown. Let's go to y equals 3 plus 4x minus x squared. When you have a quadratic function, please change into standard form. So we will get negative x squared plus 4x plus 3. We do know a equals negative 1, b equals 4, c equals 3. Basically, they ask you to figure out this y-intercept, 0, c. Therefore, from given information, c equals 3, you will get 0, 3. So the height in meters from which the ball was thrown is 3 meters. Go to 5B. Calculate the maximum height above the ground reached by the ball. Here, keywords is calculate. Keyword is calculate, which means you have to use a formula to calculate the maximum height. For the vertex, that is h, k. We will label the coordinate here hk. And for this h, that equals negative b over 2a. Opposite of b, we know b equals 4, so you get the negative 4 over 2 times a is negative 1 equals 2. So k equals f of 2. We will plug 2 into this function. You will get negative 2 squared plus 4 times 2 plus 3. That equals negative 4 plus 8 plus 3 equals 7 meters. Therefore, maximum height equals 7 meters. Let's go to 5C. Find the horizontal distance from the base of the wall to the point at which the ball hit the ground. Hit the ground is here. Basically, this is a x-intercept. So we will use a graphing calculator to get this x-intercept. Go to y equals negative x squared plus 4x plus 3. Then go to graph. We are looking for this x-intercept. So second trace, go to 2. Since this is a standard window, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. We will use 1, 2, 3. Let's do 3. Enter. Right bound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can do 6. Enter. Then enter. You will get 4.65 as a 3-sig fix. So this distance equals 4.65 meters. Therefore, the horizontal distance equals 4.65 meters.